If you're trying to leave a Whop membership, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to find the business you joined, open the membership controls, and leave the community properly. This is a quick and simple process, but if you've never done it before, it helps to know exactly where to click so you don't miss anything. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software walkthroughs, just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, sign into your account at whop.com. Once you're logged in, make sure you're on your home feed. This is where Whop shows the businesses and communities you've already joined. Take a look at the left sidebar or panel, because that's where your joined businesses are listed. Find the specific business or membership you want to leave, and click on it to open that business's page. After you've opened the business's homepage, look toward the top of the screen. You should see the business name, and next to it, there may also be a small down arrow. Click on the business name or the down arrow to open the drop-down menu. In that menu, you'll see several options related to your membership. From here, click Manage Membership. This will open the membership controls for that business. Now a modal or pop-up window should appear with your membership options. Inside that window, look for the Leave button. Click Leave to cancel your subscription and permanently leave the community. Make sure this is the membership you want to exit, because once you confirm it, you'll no longer have access to that business's content or community. And that's it. You've now left your Whop membership successfully. If this video saved you time, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials that make tech easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.